Hi friends, welcome to ANS Wonders, where we make learning fun and adventures magical. Let's get started!
Hello friends. Today, we're going to learn about the alphabets. Are you ready? Let's get started. A is for apple. A. Apple. B is for ball. B. Ball. C is for cat. C. Cat. D is for dog. D. Dog. E is for elephant. E. Elephant. F is for fish. F. Fish. G is for giraffe. G. Giraffe. H is for hat. H. Hat. I is for ice cream. I. Ice cream. J is for jelly. J. Jelly. K is for kite. K. Kite. L is for lion. L. Lion. M is for monkey. M. Monkey. N is for nails. N. Nails. O is for orange. O. Orange. P is for penguin. P. Penguin. Q is for queen. Q. Queen. R is for rabbit. R. Rabbit. S is for sun. S. Sun. T is for tiger. T. Tiger. U is for umbrella. U. Umbrella. V is for violin. V. Violin. W is for whale. W. Whale. X is for xylophone. X. Xylophone. Y is for yacht. Y. Yacht. Z is for zebra. Z. Zebra. You did an amazing job learning the alphabets. Keep practicing, and see you next time.
Thank you for watching! Don't forget to subscribe and feel free to give us likes and comments.